Hello, this is Don with MecSoft support. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at creating slice curves in Visual3DPRINT 2016. Now, as you know, in 3D printing, the printer creates the 3D part by slicing the geometry and levels and printing it to the 3D printer. Now you can simulate this slicing of the part by creating slice curves on your geometry and then analyzing those curves to see if they have any open edges or to check the smoothness and the curvature of the part. Let's have a look. Now another way that you can analyze your part is you can create slice curves that will simulate how the printer is going to slice this model up and print it. And you can look at those curves ahead of time. Let's do that. Let's go over to the model tab, and we have a command called slice. Let's pick it, select the mesh, right click, and for the distance between each slice, let's set it to 0.05 and pick slice. Now, what you see here in the data tree is we have a slice object that was created and added to the data tree. Now, to see this a little bit better, let's turn the mesh off, and we have the slice selected. Now, one thing you notice down here in the information window is it tells you about the slice. It analyzes the slice curves, and if you have any open curves in those slices, it'll tell you how many are open. We have no open curves and we got a check mark, so that's good. That's what you want. So let's take a look at these curves, and we see that they look pretty good. They're pretty well formed, pretty smooth. They flow pretty well. Now, as you can see, we see some of these little anomalies on the back side that we saw during the analysis. You can barely see them when you look at along the edge, but they're not too bad. This is just a prototype, so we're gonna go with this. Okay, so these are our slice curves. Now, currently, when you initially create a slice, it's only a display object. If you want to export these to actual curve geometry, you can just select the slice, right click on it and pick export, and it'll create curve geometry for you. For now, we don't need the slice curves anymore, so we're just going to select it and hit the delete key, and we'll just remove those. Let's turn the mesh back on.